Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Overall, though, a pretty rough day, and it's kind of a sketchy chart because the price for sure made a huge move, and then there was this big pullback. But it's not like it was a total crash, but it was still a really big pullback. So, I mean, is this chart actually bullish or bearish going forward? You know, that's a totally logical, and I understand why you would kind of be wondering about that. And I have no idea. Is this bullish or bearish? What I would do, though, and what I would say is keep an eye on 58 cents. Why is 58 cents important? Well, let's look at a couple different potential possibilities. So the first is the price comes down to 58, breaks down through it, and then just continues on down. At that point, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was before the breakout happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. On the flip side of things, though, maybe the price goes down to that same level. So it comes down here, however, in this situation, behaves like that and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, what would you have in this situation? Well, from the bigger picture point of view, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly bullish move is going to do from the bigger picture point of view. It's going to make progress over time. So in many ways, that green line is acting as kind of the dictionary, meaning it's helping us define, is the price quote unquote going back to where it was, that being associated with bearishness, or is the price quote unquote making progress, that being associated with bullishness. So keep a close eye on that. A lot of people are going to be watching right here around that 58 cent mark, and that's definitely a very important level going forward. So let's see if the price can stay up above that level or if the price is headed right back to where it was. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.